In today's class, we will be discussing on 6 ways you can practice safer sex.
All right, sir. I came prepared to learn.
Number 1. Always use a condom. Not only for vagina sex, but also for oral and anal sex. Number 2. Get regularly checked for sexually transmitted infections. At least once in a year. But for those changing partners often, it's wise to get tested before each new partner, or every 3 to 6 months. 3. Limit the number of sexual partners. Multiple sexual partners means more exposure to potentially contracting an infection. Number 4. Avoid sex under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Get vaccinated against some sexually transmitted infections, like hepatitis B and HPV, are avoidable. Communicate with your partner. Share relevant information about sexual history and sexually transmitted infection status with your partner. Don't keep it a secret.
Doctor, it's not easy discussing this with my partner. She might not understand me.
If she doesn't understand you, then she is not your partner. Your partner should be someone who understands you. In fact, it's betrayal for you not to tell your partner about your sexual history. So learn to communicate with your partner, especially on sexual-related issues.
Thank you so much, sir, for always impacting me with practical knowledge.
You are welcome, my friend. Now go have fun with your partner.